Imagine yourself sitting in a quiet place. It could be early morning with soft sunlight gently spilling into the room, or late in the afternoon when the air feels warm and still. You might hear birds singing outside the window or the gentle breeze brushing against the frame. In that moment, you don't have to do anything, just breathe and feel. Have you ever noticed that happiness often comes from the smallest things? A warm cup of tea on a cold morning, a caring message from a friend you haven't heard from in a while, the kind eyes of a stranger you happen to help. If you pause and truly feel those moments, they become seeds of deep joy. But in the busyness of life, we often forget to pause. We rush toward goals, solve endless problems, and leave no room to notice the simple gifts around us. We look for happiness somewhere far away, while it is always here, in every breath, in every step. Gratitude is the door that opens to that happiness. When you are grateful, you acknowledge that no matter how difficult life is, there are still things worth cherishing. And when your heart is full of gratitude, worry, frustration, and loneliness gradually give way to peace. I remember the first time I practiced daily gratitude. At first, it seemed like a simple exercise, writing down 3 things I was grateful for before bed. But after just a few weeks, I noticed a clear change in my mood. I began to see the good that I had overlooked before. A sudden rain washing away the dust, a genuine compliment from a colleague, or simply a good night's sleep. Today, I invite you to join me in a guided meditation where we will slow down, connect with the heart, and nurture gratitude. There is no right or wrong, no need to force anything. Just allow yourself to be present and open to receive. Let each gentle breath take you into a calm space. Let gratitude spread within you like the morning light, and you will see happiness has never left. Gratitude is more than just a pleasant feeling. Science has shown it to be a state of mind that can reshape the brain. When you practice gratitude regularly, the areas of your brain linked to contentment and safety become more active, helping to reduce anxiety and depression while boosting long-term happiness. From a Buddhist perspective, gratitude is closely tied to metta, loving kindness, and karuna, compassion, a deep appreciation for what we have and empathy for what others go through. The Buddha once taught, a person who is grateful and repays kindness is the rarest in the world. This means that when we acknowledge what we have received and cherish it, we become richer in spirit than any amount of material wealth could provide. The story of the golden leaf. There was an old man living alone near the forest. Every morning he would go into his garden, bending down to pick up the golden leaves that had fallen along the path. Someone asked him, "Why don't you just sweep them all at once instead of picking them up a little each day?" The old man smiled and said, "Each leaf that falls is a reminder that time keeps moving, and that I am lucky to still be here to see it. If I sweep them all at once, I would miss the chance to thank each moment." This story reminds us that gratitude isn't about waiting for something big to happen. It's about noticing the small things that are happening right now. 3 simple steps to practice gratitude. 1, pause and take a deep breath. When your mind is crowded with worries, stop for a moment, inhale deeply, and exhale slowly. In that instant, be grateful for your breath, a gift we often take for granted. 2, name 3 things you are grateful for today. They don't have to be extraordinary. It could be a delicious meal, a smile from someone, or simply making it through a difficult day. 3, send silent thanks. Close your eyes and send gratitude to a person, a place, or a memory that has helped you grow. Weaving gratitude into daily life. Morning, upon waking, smile and think of one thing you look forward to today. Afternoon, while eating, pause for a moment to thank the food and all who made it possible. Evening, before sleeping, write down 3 things you are grateful for. When you make this a habit, your mind naturally starts searching for the good in each day. Over time, you'll realize happiness is no longer tied only to outside circumstances. It comes from the sense of fullness within. Short guided gratitude meditation. Sit or lie down comfortably, close your eyes, breathe in deeply, and exhale gently. Bring to mind someone you are grateful for. See them clearly in your mind and feel warmth radiating from your heart toward them. Let that warmth spread throughout your whole body. Silently say, "Thank you for giving me the chance to experience and grow." Gratitude is like a fresh stream. The more you drink from it, the lighter and more alive you feel, and that lightness will become the steady ground upon which lasting happiness can grow. Find a position that feels comfortable for you. You may sit on a chair, on the floor, or lie down if you prefer. Gently close your eyes and allow your mind to step away from all worries for now. Begin with a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel the cool air entering your body and the gentle warmth leaving with your breath. With each inhale, imagine you are receiving fresh, bright energy. With each exhale, release any remaining tension. Now, think of one small thing you are grateful for today. It could be the soft morning sunlight, the laughter of someone you love, or simply this very breath. Let that image or feeling fill your mind. Continue to breathe slowly. With every breath, silently repeat to yourself, "Thank you for being here. Thank you for giving me enough to love and to live." If other thoughts arise, don't push them away. Just smile at them, acknowledge them, and gently return to your breath and your gratitude. Now, let your gratitude expand outward. Picture yourself sending this warm energy to your loved ones, to your friends, and even to people you have never met who are also walking their own paths through life. Feel how light and gentle this sensation is, as if you are standing in a field of flowers with a soft breeze passing through, and each blossom representing something you are grateful for. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to your body. Notice your hands, your feet, your back, and your shoulders. Gently open your eyes, carrying this warm feeling into the rest of your day. Remember, gratitude is not only for special moments, it lives in every second of life. And when your heart is full of gratitude, happiness will always find its way back to you.